Hello everyone, I'm teacher Yusen and today I'm back again with our APMOPS preparation videos. And today the question that we are tackling is APMOPS 2021 round 1 question 14. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the question. Well, this question says that we have three squares of size 100 cm, 120 cm and 80 cm placed next to one another as shown in this figure below. And now there's a segment EF, this straight line over here, that is parallel to AB, which divides the figure into two regions of an equal area. Now, let's say we want to find the length of BF in terms of CM. So now, let's think about this question, right? So after reading the question, what is it that we can find? Does anyone know? So actually, after reading through the question, I think we all know that, there are two things that I'm able to find. Firstly, since the squares are all given, we can find the total area of the figure. And now, they're also saying that, oh, this line cuts it into two regions of equal area. So that means that we also know that half of the total area can also be calculated. But now, since we are asked to find the length of BF, there's still work to do. Let's do it step by step, shall we? So now, just now we mentioned that, well, I can calculate the total area, right? So what is the total area? Oh, it should be very easy to calculate. I just add the sum of the three squares, 100 squared, 120 squared, and 80 squared. And calculating them out, I should end up with my final answer of 30800 centimeters squared. So now, since we know that we know it is half of the total area, we are also able to see that just half of it is just 30800 divided by 2 to get 15400. So that area on top, the yellow region, is just half of it, 15400. Oh, so now if I know that the top half of the area is this value. Now, since we are given that we want to find BF, seems like that's all of the information that we have obtained from the question. Then how do we continue? Oh, we see, since we really want to find a value but we do not have it, what can we do? I think some of us are familiar that we should be just setting a variable to calculate the value of it. So now, since we want to find BF, we let BF be X, which is here. But after we set X, what do we need to do? We need to find equal relationship between the parts to set up our equation. And what is the equal relationship? Now we know that this one, and this, the three rectangles, they sum out to be 15400. So now we just need to use X to represent the area of three rectangles, and we should be able to set what is the answer for X. So now let us just do it. This first rectangle, what is its area? Very simple, 80x. What about the next one over here? 120x. And the last one, how do we find the area of this last rectangle? Since we are given that the total length of A downwards is just 120, do we know what is this short length above? The answer is seemingly yes, because we know that this height is 100, so the part above should just be 20. Oh, so now since I know that this is 20, do I know what is this height of the rectangle? Yes, we definitely know that it is just x minus 20. So now I have the base, I have the height. I'm able to find the area of this rectangle, which is 100 times x minus 20. So the sum of all of this is just equals to 15400. Oh, now we set an equation. There we go. And solving up the equation by opening the brackets and calculating them, I end up with 300x is equals to 17400. Solving for the value of x, we get that x is equals to 58 centimeters. Oh, we have successfully found out our answer. So, with that, what have we actually learned from this question? So, well, summary is very simple. Well, when we see this type of question that cannot be solved directly, what do we want to do? What do we do here? We try to set a variable to show what it is, right? And once we have set the variable, what is the next thing that we did? We represented other parts using their relationship. And then lastly, well, we just set equation by using the idea of similarity. So with that, that is all that we can summarize from this question. And I'm pretty sure all of you, if you are faced with similar question in the future, you will definitely be able to solve for the question. With that being said, that is the end of the explanation. We'll now move on to our next section, which is our practice question. So everyone can try out this practice question and do put your answers in the comment section below. So with that being said, that is all that I have for you today. Now, if you have any other queries, feel free to just message our teachers in our WhatsApp group below, or hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned to our future updates. Bye bye!